Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to view others' blogs in Blogger using the reading list and discovery tools available in the 2026 dashboard. Let's get into it. First, access your reading list. Blogger has a built-in RSS reader called the Reading List that allows you to follow other blogs and see their latest posts without leaving your dashboard. Log in to your Blogger dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar menu, scroll down and click on Reading List. This opens a feed of all the latest updates from blogs you already follow. If you haven't followed anyone yet, this area will suggest popular blogs based on your interests. Next, add a specific blog to your feed. If you have a specific URL of a blog you want to keep an eye on, you can manually add it to your collection. On the Reading List page, click the Manage Reading List link or the gear icon in the top right corner. Click the Add button. Paste the URL of the blog you want to follow, like exampleblog.blogspot.com, and click Next. Choose whether to follow publicly, your profile appears in their followers gadget, or anonymously. Click Follow to confirm. And lastly, discover new blogs. In 2026, finding new voices in the Blogger ecosystem is all about using the right search strings and discovery gadgets available. To find blogs in a specific niche, go to Google and use the cite: command. For example, type cite.blogspot.com/travel tips to filter for only Blogger-hosted travel sites. When you're on a blog you like, look for the followers gadget or a blog role in the sidebar. This is where many bloggers list their own favorite creators, allowing you to breadcrumb your way through a community of related sites. And that's pretty much it. To view and follow others' blogs in 2026, use the reading list on your Blogger dashboard to subscribe via URL or use the Next Blog button for random discovery. By organizing your feeds in the Manage section, you can stay updated on your favorite writer's newest posts in one single distraction-free stream. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.